Standing bicycle crunches duration 30 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bring your knee to your opposite elbow. Return to the start position and repeat with the other side. Wall push UPS duration 30 seconds. Stand in front of a wall one big step away from it. Then put your hands out straight towards the wall and lean against it. Lift your heels. Slowly bend your elbows and press your upper body towards the wall. Push back and repeat the exercise. Remember to keep your body straight. Clapping crunches duration 20 seconds. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet lifted a little bit and backwards. Alternately lift your legs and clap under your knees. Fire hydrant left duration 20 seconds. Start on all fours with your knees under your butt and your hands under your shoulders. Then lift your leg to the side at a 90-degree angle. Fire hydrant right duration 20 seconds. Start on all fours with your knees under your butt and your hands under your shoulders. Then lift your leg to the side at a 90-degree angle. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise your arms and clap over your head. Plank duration 30 seconds. Lie in the floor with your toes and forearms on the ground. Keep your body straight and hold this position as long as you can. This exercise strengthens the abdomen, back and shoulders. Subscribe for more new updates.